We get one governor where I would like make we appreciate in a very special way. Now governor where we get a record, confirmed record. Say you know the old salary. No single person waiting for the state where they owe salary. And not be 10% salary or 20% or 50% salary. If they pay people their full salary complete. You not stop there. For you to know, say this person, a person will be say he wish Nigeria well, and he wish Nigerians well, and even foreigners waiting for this country. He wish them well. Now the state where we get more foreigners than any part of Nigeria at the moment be this. And they are given protection. Who will be this governor? He no pay salary, he pay salary complete, you know they owe. He can't sit down think and say, pensioners them, I be pensioners. People who work for this country, reach age where they just make them retire. Then they pay, then they owe some people. He clear everything. Can't give 48 hours ultimatum. Say these people must receive their alert within 48 hours of that instruction. Lift them up small for me. Who is this governor? The governor will, during campaign, he know to enter villages like the way some of them been deceive us before. Now after he become governor, now he begin to go from village to village. A governor that will come unexpectedly and knock on your door. Ko. If not Christian, knock. Excuse me? Is somebody here? If not Muslim house, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. They will open. You open your door. Not be local government chairman. Not be ward councillor. Not be local government chairman. Not be one senator. We been carry tiny neck before. We in neck don't robust now. Not be member House of Reps. Not be representative of the president. The chief security officer of the state. The CEO of the state. The chief executive officer of the state. The governor of the state. Knocking on your door. You open, you see your governor. And your governor is asking you, are you okay? What is your problem? This is a governor that remembers God every time of his life. Governor will not believe say he will fit finish in tenure. Governor will, no deputy governor they enjoy the liberty way this deputy governor of this governor they enjoy. Deputy governor will get freedom past the vice president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria because no cabal can cage the deputy governor. When the governor won't travel, he they carry every power give him. Even when the governor dey around, when he give a responsibility, he say, don't tell me about the process and the procedure. I want to see result. Just do the right thing. Who is this governor? A governor that will knock and connect with his people, not during campaign. During campaign, he did not even go too much to enter remote villages like that. Now after he become governor, some of them now when they want enter governor, now they sabi enter Koro, Lungu, and Kwani. Now that time they go to tell you say your grandpapa and their grandpapa they related somehow because like the same farm then the farm Cocoyam. As soon as they become governor, now siren go between you and them. Some of them said they are bodyguards. The police where they escort them go to flog people. One do go kill himself the other day. We just sympathize with him because now human being. because na person papa, because na person husband. If not be because of that, we forethought he say e good for am as he die. Una wey be police wey dey do escort, wey dey do anyhow, una no know who una go touch wey dey close to God. We go just talk say una go see. Some people no need to curse you. Once you offend them and you no apologize to them, God will take action instantly. There are people that are favored like that. And that is the reason why it is advised, if when you want to pray, you pray congregationally, because if God did not answer the prayer because of you, because of